obituary reference, Honorable Chief Minister.
Honorable Speaker, sir, with profound grief I rise to inform this august House about the sad demise of late Bijay Ranjan Singh Baria, sitting member and ex-minister, late Bishtu Charan Sethi, sitting member, late Golak Bihari Naik, ex-minister, late Kapil Narayan Tiwari, ex-member.
मु भगवान को निकट प्रार्थना करुछि से मानकर आत्मा को सद्गति दियंतु। समस्त को धन्यवाद।
मान्यवर कांग्रेस विधायक दल नेता श्री नरसिंह मिश्र.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I join the Honorable Chief Minister and the Leader of the House in mourning this sad demise of late Bijay Ranjan Singh Baria, sitting member and ex-minister, late Bishtu Charan Sethi, sitting member of this House, late Golak Bihari Naik, ex-minister, Kapil Narayan Tiwari has died at the age of 94. He won as an independent candidate from Khariyar.
नेता मुख्यमंत्री जो शोक प्रस्ताव आनी मुझे समर्थन करुँची। स्वर्गत विजय सिंह बरिया आसीन सदस्य और पूर्वतन मंत्री, स्वर्गत विष्णुचरण सेठी आसीन सदस्य, स्वर्गत गोलक बिहारी नायक पूर्वतन मंत्री,